Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. It's easy to make restaurant quality chicken masala at home, guys. Tender chicken breast is sauteed in a creamy mushroom sauce with masala wine reduction. Easy enough for a weeknight. With this recipe, I'm going to change the classic recipe a bit and use my favorite mushroom, baby bella, and also add a bit of shallots to give it a flavor. So guys, let me show you how to make chicken masala. So here on my cutting board, I have about 4 chicken breast cutlets. I'm gonna cover with a plastic wrap, then pound quickly. Pounding the chicken tenderizes the meat, making the cooked result more tender. Remove the plastic wrap and season the chicken with salt and black pepper on both sides. Set the chicken breast aside. Now on a large skillet, heat olive oil until it sizzles. Then cook the chicken for 2 minutes on each side. Once the edges turn white on the sides, flip the chicken and continue to cook it for another 2 minutes. Remove the chicken breast and let them rest on the plate. We don't want to cook them all the way through as they are going to finish cooking in the sauce. Now in the same pan with remaining grease left over from the chicken, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, then add shallots and garlic. Saute until lightly browned and soft. Now add the mushrooms and cook for 5 minutes until browned and the moisture has evaporated. Season with salt and black pepper. Now pour in the masala and boil down for a few seconds. What we are doing here, guys, we are cooking out the alcohol. Then we're gonna let this reduce to nothing. The mushroom mixture looks good. We're gonna transfer to a bowl, then set aside. In the same pan, we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the oil and butter is hot, we're gonna go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of flour. Now we're gonna mix that up until paste forms. Then we're gonna add chicken broth and heavy cream. Then season with salt and black pepper. And once it starts bubbling, go ahead and reduce the heat to medium-low. Add back in the chicken cutlets and mushroom. Cover with the sauce and simmer for 7 minutes until the chicken cutlets are cooked all the way through. After 7 minutes, add parsley, and there you have it, guys, chicken masala. This dish is rich and savory. I love to serve it along with pasta, mashed potatoes, or rice. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.